What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. I think this is my second video of the day. Like I said before, the Barber Illuminati is back. I'm excited, you excited, everybody around excited. So let's get to it. Hey, shout out to Cuts from Custom at Barber School in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? It's the only shout out I'm gonna be doing, okay? I got Hollywood here with me, but that's another story. But anyway, we're gonna be doing a medium ball fade, 1.5 against the grain with a lining. That's it. Nothing fancy. All right, let's get to it. As you already know my style, this video will not be edited, and this video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC. The other half of the video, the other half of the haircut has already been recorded. All right, I'm a little, jumpy right now. I skipped my lunch to do this video here. I'm a little, hungry. But anyway, let's go! This part of the video is very self-explanatory. You don't need me to explain that. I'm going to be using the same technique that I used earlier. I know cutting with the adjustable blade clipper is a little unusual for my subscribers, but this is a new normal. Please work with me. This was originally supposed to be a all detachable blade channel, but based on the number of subscribers that I accumulated along the way, I figured, hey, how about I experiment with adjustable blade clippers, and hopefully this channel will become a little bit more successful. That's all. My goal is to do this video as fast as possible. I'm pressing for time. Shout out to Miguel Torrens from out of Chicago. What's up? Miguel Torrens. I didn't hear from you in a while now. I want to know if you're still in business. Please feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know you're still in business. Boom. Like I said, the Barber Illuminati is back. Boom. All right. First guideline is going to be created with the magic clip open. I'm going to create a 1-inch gap. I'm going to use my system that I originally used before. Magic clip open, middle, close. Here we go. Now I think I need some kind of a beat in the background or something. Hey, if you're a beat maker, you hit me up. How about that? If you're a beat maker, if you know a beat maker, send me a link, a comment or something, and I'll get back to you. I think I need my own anthem, Something like that. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC, and this video will not be edited. My style is, I post the video as I make it, raw, unedited. Close. Hey, this video is going pretty fast. Wow. I hope supposed to get this thing complete in about 15 minutes or less. Boom. By the way, I heard Wahl has I saw it online. The Wahl cordless Classic 76 just came out a few months ago. Of course, I don't have it yet. As soon as I get it, I'm going to be recording with it and let you guys know what I think. You cut the top already? Yes? No? Cut the top. I'll be right over there. Class in session. Boom. All right. I'm going to take the top down with the 1.5. I think it might require for me to drop the chair. Boom. All right. Yeah, let me zoom out a little. Boom. All right. 1.5 against the grain. Here we go. Were you here about 2 weeks ago or less?
Probably about just a tad bit over 2 weeks.
Okay. Well, I feel like I just saw you yesterday. It's just me.
Number one customer.
Thank you. I'm taking the top down with the 1.5. Then I'm going to proceed with my 1 guard. If you're new to the channel, this is the time that you subscribe right now. You know what I just found out? Honest to God, about 76% of the people that watch the videos do not subscribe. Whoa, that's a big number. I don't have a problem with that. But it's okay. That's not going to discourage me. The show must go on. 76. When I found out, I almost had a heart attack. People don't watch you now, all over the world, including Japan and Canada and the UK and all. And my subscribers are, just a few thousand. What's going on? There's no customer service on YouTube to complain to. I just gotta keep working. All right, I'm gonna go on with my 1 open middle close on the side, about this high. Then I'm gonna use the half guard or 1/16 to connect the 2 sections. Oh, we're looking good. Like I said, I'm doing the 1 open middle close into the 1.5. Then I'm going to use the half guard to connect two sections. Then I'm going to move on to the line. Here comes the half guard. The way I do it is, I'm going to use the front of the guard first. I'm going to move the line slightly, and gradually, as I see fit, I'm going to open the lever. That's it. All right, below the half guard is a dark low line. You guys may not be able to see it, but I'm seeing it. I'm just gonna remove the guard and work it, massage it a little bit more, and I'm gonna move on to the lining. Here we go. By the way, I'm on TikTok. I opened my TikTok account this morning. It's under Marvelous Barber School. Feel free to look me up for additional footage. Boom. Quickly, I'm going to do the one with the grain. Just to smooth the top out a little bit better. All right. Let's turn the chair over a little bit better. Boom. All right. As you can see, half of the lining has already been completed on the other side, on the left side. I'm just going to add the right side to it and wrap this thing up. Boom. All right, I'm going to use the mirror quickly to make sure we're on track. Boom. right, YouTube, I think I'm gonna do the razor lining behind the scene. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. If you like the video, feel free to leave me a comment, share. I'm gonna do a quick spin, then we're gonna wrap this up. Yes, I'm gonna put the razor on them, but I feel like we don't need to do all of that. Here we go. Wow. Now the question is, who has the bigger head? Is it me or him? I'd rather have the big one. I don't know. No. We're gonna take measurements after this haircut. We're gonna take measurements. I think my head is a little bit bigger than that. You know? I think so. We're gonna take measurements, no problem. I got a tape measure here. You know? I got a tape measure. You know? I got a tape measure. You know? But we're not gonna do that on camera. You know, that's too much drama. All right, YouTube, if you watch the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. Please feel free to look me up on Instagram, TikTok also, Barber Illuminati. That's it. I'm a little jumpy today. That's what happens when you don't eat lunch.